to my channel. If you are new to this, please make sure that you hit that thumbs up and you subscribe so you can get more of these. In this video, what I'm going to be talking about is why you should be focusing on engagement for your social media channels. So the big I think the biggest misconception is that you've got to have as many followers as possible. The more followers you have, the potential to bring in more bookings. Well, that's not always the case. The problem is with marketing and all of these things is that there is a big problem out there that so many people are focusing on getting more and more and more followers that they start to do things that aren't going to be correct for the channel. For example, there are services out there that you can pay to get more and more followers. The problem is the people that they choose for you to follow, bots or scammers, or just not people are ever going to potentially do business with you. I book a stay with you. So what social media loves more than anything is engagement. If you look at Facebook, if you look at Instagram, if you look at LinkedIn, doesn't matter what the channel, it looks at engagement. So what you really need to be doing is not focusing on getting 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 followers. What you really should be doing is looking to get a core group of people that are always going to be engaging in yourself. There's a blog called Kevin Kelly. It's called 1,000 True Fans. I read it in 2016 at the start of my Boostly journey, and it's one that I keep going back and back and back to. I won't butcher it. You can go and literally read it for yourself. It won't take long. But the main premise and what I want to teach you in this video is if you can have 100 followers that whenever you post, they engage, comment, share, and basically start a conversation with you on, and you can get, say, out of 100 followers, you can get 100 people doing that, then Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever the channel may be, they will treat you a lot more favorably than if there's somebody with 10,000 followers and when they post out, only, say, 1,000 join in. So that's this super quick video that I want to share with you is focus on your engagement. Don't focus on big numbers on social media. Okay, if this is the first time you've watched this, my name is Mark Simpson. I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, and the confidence to go and get more direct bookings. We focus on social media, we focus on email marketing, we focus on Google, web design, everything that you can name of. If this is the first time watching the video, please make sure that you, again, like this button, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell on so you find out when we're posting more of these. If you want to find out more about Boostly, go to boostly.co.uk and I shall see you on tomorrow's video.
Whoa, having a blast. Gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.